Hi everyone, it's Melissa here from Little Kosher Lunch. I'm excited to see you again, and I am working on all kinds of projects when I haven't been on YouTube. So I'll have some other announcements coming for you soon about my channel and other content. But today I thought it was good to get back to basics and do another grocery haul for you. Just to quickly recap the types of Asian things that I'm stocking for my kitchen and pantry. I did a big restock today because I had run out of soy sauce of all things, which was very depressing for my family, and we've been like scraping along. So I went to the Asian supermarket today to mostly buy non-perishable items for my pantry and a couple of things for the freezer. And in particular, for those of you who keep strict kosher, I wanted to highlight the fact that I shop at many ethnic supermarkets. Today it was the 99 Ranch Market, but even the Latino supermarkets like Vallarta and even like small corner stores, there are so many products that are labeled and supervised kosher products. So for example, my soy sauce, the Kikkoman brand soy sauce that I bought today, has a kosher marking on it, and the same with this kosher marked soy wrappers that I bought because I'm getting ready to be restocked for camp lunches and school lunches to do sushi, which my family loves. So the theme of this grocery haul really is, especially for those of you moms who are getting ready into back to school mode, if your kids go back early, you can be packing kosher or kosher style lunches that are not like Jewish food or traditional European or American foods, but you can really do the ethnic foods that your family loves and still have them comply and be kosher, as long as you're not like sticking shrimp in your sushi like I sometimes do at home. So at the grocery store today, I spent $63. It was mostly because I stocked up on things like a giant soy sauce, a giant package of rice that I bought in a 15-pound quantity. It lasts for a good long while, and I cook this in my rice cooker to make like a soft, sticky sushi type rice. We also use it as our side dish rice for most of my dinners. And the other things that are really exciting that I got today that are gonna be great, and you'll see in my school lunches coming up soon, are more nori, which I just am restocking. There is a kosher variety that you can order on Amazon that's called Seasnax, and I'll link that up for you. I got this really fun multicolored soy wrapper to do little hand rolls for my daughter's lunchbox. And then today, in addition, speaking of like little wrapped things, I'm planning on doing Vietnamese style summer rolls, which is like sort of like an egg roll, but not deep fried. You take a rice paper like this one, you can get it square or circular. You dip it in boiling hot water or microwaved hot water, just dip it briefly, and then you wrap up whatever you want to in a little packet. And we do that at our Vietnamese restaurant, and we can do it at home now. I got the rice sticks noodles for her that I'll fix up really quickly, and then I can wrap up like shredded vegetables. You could do a piece of lunch meat in there, and it's beautiful because it's translucent, so you can see what you've wrapped up in that rice paper, and that includes some type of dipping sauce, either a soy based or like a peanut butter based if you have a school that allows nuts. So that's like more preparation for lunch is coming up for you soon. Some other staples that I love at the Asian market are digestive crackers. You can get the McVitie's brand, which is the British brand, at our Asian supermarket, but I actually prefer this one. It has less processed stuff on the list of ingredients. I got, the cookie selection is just so good. I got these cookies. These are a butter cookie, so they're a little dairy cookie. They're not marked kosher, so kosher style little cookie. And these I'm gonna be featuring in a video for you soon about ice cream desserts. Along the same lines, I picked up bananas to be having for banana splits, including little baby bananas, which are so precious and fun to stick in a lunchbox. And then I also stocked up on our golden curry mix, which again, this contains no meat. It's not kosher per se, but if you're keeping kosher style, this is a great like stew base that I use for a lot of my dinners. The last items I got were Ponzu sauce. This one does not have a kosher marking, but It's great for dipping dumplings in our household. I got some little baby bok choy, which are so healthy and good. And then these were like the score of all scores. I bought all they had. They're the little baby croissants that they make at our bakery. And I was not successful at saving and freezing them last time because my children ate all of them immediately. So I got 2 packages, and I'll stick one in my freezer and have one for little miniature sandwiches and for breakfasts. So that is my $63 haul at the 99 Ranch. There was also a little bakery item that I've already eaten on there on my receipt. So some of the groceries disappeared quickly. But looking forward to more content for you for the fall. Let me know what's on your mind for back to school and lunch packing needs, and I'll have some exciting announcements here for you soon. Take care.